You used to call me on my cell phone. Lady, what you need, my love. Call me on my cell phone. Lady, what you need, my love. I know when the Hotline Bling, the king only me one thing. I know when the Hotline Bling, the king only me one thing. Ever since I left the city, you got a reputation for yourself now. Everybody know that I fall less out. Girl, you got me down, you got me stressed out. Ever since I left the city, you started when I with you going out more. Glasses and champagne out on the damn floor. Hanging with some girl I never seen before. You used to call me on my cell phone. Late night, what you need, my love. Call me on my cell phone. Late night, what you need, my love. I know when they Hotline Bling, they can only mean one thing. I know when they Hotline Bling, this can only mean one thing. Ever since I left the city, you and me single, so get it on. You made me feel like I did you wrong. Going places city don't belong. Ever since I left the city, you gotta know what you out for. Running on a pain on a path or hanging with some girl I never seen before. You used to call me on my cell phone. Lady, what you need, my love. Call me on my cell phone. Lady, what you need, my love. I know when they Hotline Bling, they can only mean one thing. I know when they Hotline Bling, they can only mean one thing. These days, on I wonder if it really make it pass over someone else. Wonder if it really make it pass over someone else. Don't you think she get enough? You're someone else. You don't need no one else. You don't need nobody else. No, I am never alone. I you with the churros. Listen, no se I go they hold you said the song. Eh? You used to be yourself, right now you're someone else. You used to call me on my cell phone. Ain't that what you need, my love? Call me on my cell phone. Ain't that what you need, my love? I know when they Hotline Bling, they can only mean one thing. I know when they Hotline Bling, they can only mean one thing. Every since I left the city. Yo, we already finished the song, right? So I'm a singer, but I'm trying to do my best on the time, right? So I hope you enjoy. I hope you like it. This is Hotline Bling. I'm learning. You know what I'm saying? I'm learning how to speak English like American speaker, and I have to practice more. You know what I'm saying? My pronunciation, and that's all. Okay, don't forget it. This is Edward speaking. Bye.